Want to watch Xumo TV on your big screen using your iPhone or iPad? Since Xumo TV doesn't directly support AirPlay, you'll use screen mirroring. First, make sure your TV supports AirPlay. This includes Apple TVs, Roku devices with AirPlay, or recent smart TVs from Samsung or LG, 2019 models and newer. On your iPhone or iPad, running iOS 14 or later, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your TV from the list. Now, open the Xumo TV app. Whatever's on your device will show up on the TV. For the best experience, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Experiencing lag or connection issues? Make sure both your iPhone, iPad, and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and that no VPN is active. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection is preferable for smoother streaming. Also, remember that screen mirroring broadcasts your entire device screen, which can drain battery and use bandwidth. User feedback indicates a high success rate for seamless mirroring, with issues mostly on older routers or unstable Wi-Fi. As Xumo TV doesn't have native AirPlay, all you are doing is mirroring the app. For best performance, you may need to try an alternative casting or mirroring app.